Here I have BLUBOO Picasso, and today I'm going to show you how to change keyboard languages on this device. So first of all, what you have to do is go to the settings, scroll down a bit, tap the language and input, Android keyboard, languages, and here you have the whole list of the languages which you can type on your device. So let's select, for example, Turkish, Ukrainian and Swedish, for example. And let me show you that you can type in different languages. Now let's, for example, type something in English. Then you can type in a Swedish language here, and of course you can type in a Ukrainian language too. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.